राजस्थान 2025 में और साथ ही साथ मॉडलिंग और कंटेंट क्रिएशन भी करती हूँ। काफ़ी समय से फ्लैग फिशिंग में कोशिश कर रही थी, आज जाके सफलता मिली है और ये आप सबके प्यार और भरोसे के कारण मिला है। मेरे परिवार वाले, मेरी माता जी एक HR एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं और मेरे पिताजी फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं और मेरा एक छोटा भाई है 12 साल का। मेरे पास शायद इस समय इतने शब्द नहीं है कि मैं आपको बता सकूँ मैं कितनी खुश हूँ, पर आगे आने वाले समय में मैं जो भी करना चाहती हूँ, आगे जाके हमारे देश को वर्ल्ड स्टेज पर रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ। मैं उस सबके लिए मुझे आपका प्यार और आपका भरोसा चाहिए। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, this is Anshul Sharma, and first of all, congratulations for being Miss Rajasthan 2025.
Thank you so much.
First of all, how would you feel about this moment?
The moment is honestly very surreal. I've worked really hard for it and I've been manifesting it for so long. And to actually live it, it's quite literally a dream come true. So I'm really happy. I'm a little overwhelmed right now and I'm really excited for my role forward.
Who's your role model for this?
My role model since day one has been my mother. She's fought so many stereotypes. She is the reason that I'm here today. She was the one who motivated me. And so my role model has always been her through and through in every walk in life.
Twinkle, what is the daily ritual you follow?
A daily ritual that I follow, I'm a very religious and a spiritual person. So whenever I start my day, specifically when I'm preparing for my work, I dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes of that day remembering the divine, thanking the divine for everything that I have in my life, just expressing my gratitude, and then I begin my day.
One typical question, like recent troll growing on internet about some disciples of Gandhi family, they're distributing sanitary pads with their picture of political leader. What is your reaction to this?
I honestly think that instead of just focusing on the branding of the act, we should focus more on the intention of the act. We should really appreciate the Gandhi family for going above and beyond and helping women in need. I think we're in a society where we need to uplift everybody. So instead of just trying to find points that we can nitpick, we should focus on the intention, and that intention is amazing.
There's again a troll on internet regarding that Kangana Ranawat reached very late on the flood area in her constituency, making a reason that there's no road break is there. And so what is your reaction to this escapism?
First of all, I think we have to commend Kangana for trying to reach the location. I'm sure you can understand it's very difficult to reach a place that is driven by, it's flooded, there's a disaster going on. And while I do believe that our leaders need to have more accountability, we need to also give them a little breathing space and understand that they're humans. So like I said earlier, we should focus on the intention rather on the presentation of the act.
Last question, anything you would like to say about Radhika Yadav, disastrous social thing which happened, tennis player recently?
The tennis academy.
Yeah.
I think it's very unfortunate. Women have fought for so many years to get a seat at the table, to reclaim the power that they've always had. And our families should be places where we can be safe, we can go back to them, we can share our dreams. So I think it's very unfortunate. And I believe it's a wake-up call for all our parents that we need to understand your child has their own dreams. I am standing here because my parents believed in me, because they gave me the space to chase after those dreams. And I think that's a reminder all parents need to have.
Thank you so much. Congratulations once again, and really appreciate and wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.